Siyempre, yan ay piling-pili ng ating bride and groom. Talagang equally beautiful and handsome mukha ng ating bride and groom.
Yes, that's right. Pero bago pala, ang talagang sagupaan ng team